Good afternoon, everyone. So let's continue with our seminar topic, cyber crime. So all the best, Ashwin. Yes.
Question I'm going to present on cybercrime. I'm disabled screen share. Cybercrime. Cybercrime is any criminal offense that is facilitated by or involves use of electronic communications or of information systems, including any electronic devices, computer, or internet. It mainly involves terms like phishing, credit card frauds, illegal downloading, industrial espionage, and child pornography, cyberbullying, cyber stalking, cyber terrorism, creation or distribution of viruses, spam, and so on. Cyber trolls and bullying. Uh, Cyber trolls or bullying refers to a person who mainly insults others in the comment section or about someone with the name of targeting a person online to bring them down or then provocate message posted this way are also called trolls. It is a cyber crime that is a form of cyberbullying. Cyberbullying, harassing, damaging, embarrassing, defaming, or intimidating someone using modern technologies like internet, cell phones, instant messages, social networks. These are mainly the most common forms of cyberbullying.
So you can expect a question, what is cyberbullying? So that is the answer you have to write. And actually go a little bit slow.
Mind map? Slow, okay,
So
okay. Cyber stalking. Cyber stalking is a form of online harassment where the victim is subjected to barrage of online messages and emails. These stalkers know their victim, and instead of resorting into offline stalking, they use internet to stalk. A cyber stalker relies upon the ingenuity afforded by the internet to allow to stalk their victim without being detected. Stalkers may often do this to trouble their victims. They collect all their personal information about their victims. The stalker may post the information on machines or illegal website posting as if this victim is posting this information. People of all from no can corner of the world start calling their victim as his or resident workplace for many filthy obscene reasons. Some stalkers subscribe the mail account of the victim to illegal website of which victims start receiving such kind of unsolicited emails.
See, one incident is there. One teacher got a mail. Uh, no, from that teacher's mail, all the mails are forwarded from that particular teacher's mail to all the recipients. Like the message was this: I'm being kidnapped. I am in this and this place. So please help me. You send the money to this account. Only they will only the way I can escape. So that kind of mail came. That's a real incident happened. So that's one of the examples of cyber stalking. So finally, she was at home, but it's not her. Someone else posted the mail. So the intruders, the cyber stalkers, they hacked their email ID and password and forwarded them. So that is one of the examples of cyber stalking. Yes, continue.
Cyber stalkers often do this to trouble their victims. Most stalkers keep on sending repeated emails or messages asking for some kind of favor or threatens the victim. Stalkers follow the victim from boat to boat. Stalkers will always make contact with the victim through email, having friendly messages or threatening content. Stalkers many times use multiple names when contacting the victim. They also use messages also. Spreading rumors online. people often think that they can make a fake profile with some different name and do anything online and will not be caught. Though such fake profiles, people sometimes indulge in posting fake information on social media or comments that could hurt some others or spread rumors that may trigger panic or hurt religious sentiments of other people, resulting into clashes and even riots. Spreading rumors online is a crime, cybercrime, and it may invite a fine with in punishment extendable up to 3 years.
Wait, wait, wait. First, previous slide. For the previous slide. In rumors, when, when rumors about online comments, uh, often that is side. We are fine also, and plus there is and, number of
Reporting cybercrime. If any cybercrime happens, or one must report it first to parents, school authorities, and then to police. The local police station can be approached for filing complaints, just as cybercrime cells specially this designation with the jurisdiction to register complaint. In addition, provisions may have been made for filing of EFIR in most of the states. In addition, the Ministry of Home Affairs is also launching website for registering crime against women and children online indulging cyber crimes. Face common areas of social networking sites. Facebook is a platform where you can share your ideas in form of posts, share photos, videos, etc. Twitter microblogging site which allows to post very small messages up to 220 cars. LinkedIn social network for professionals provides features to make profile look sort of detailed resume, mainly for work and other stuff. LinkedIn. Instagram, one of the most popular social network for online photo sharing, other features like real-time photos and short videos while on the go. Appropriate use of social networks. Whatever we do online, post something or visit some friend's page or search something externally is a permanent footprint called digital footprints. It remains for your storing trails of your online activities. We are using this platform for personal reasons and not personal reasons and visible to anyone who looks for it. This might not cause any problem but sometimes later it can pose potential problems when it comes to matters like taking admission in higher education or looking for a job or even looking for a life partner. These days, many universities look for digital footprints of applicants or students before giving them admission. Similarly, employers may look for digital footprints of candidates and so on. What should you know? While using networking sites, you should know about what right online behaviors are and what is considered cybercrime. If anyone thinks by making fake profile he or she can do any activity without being caught, he or she is certainly mistaken. Modern technology tools can find anyone using IP address, location, etc. So one must not indulge in these activities at all. Digital footprints. These leave records and traces individual lives behind as they use the internet. Your interaction on social media, your friend circle on social media sites you visit, online purchase, location visited through Facebook check-ins, etc. will make up all your digital footprints. Privacy settings. When you start social media, you should not go with the default privacy settings. Rather, it is always good idea to set up privacy settings yourself by using in account settings. Through privacy settings you can control who all can see what you have posted, what all send requests to you, what all information about you is visible to others, even your contacts, etc. What What should you do? Usage rules. Be authentic. Be honest about your identity.
Ah,
Use a disclaimer.
അവർക്ക് അവരുടെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമുക്ക് പ്രശ്നമൊന്നുമില്ല ഞാൻ അപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾക്ക്
Do not like anyone's comments or your post. Never pretend to be someone else. Fifth point, protect your identity. While you should never be honest about yourself, while you should be honest about yourself, but you should never provide or post information online. These information can be used to conduct fraud or crime. 6 point, does your information post pass the publicity test? If your post is not acceptable for face conservation over the telephone, then it is not acceptable for a social networking site too. Seventh point, respect your audience. Sometimes school, colleges, students talk in a slang or use some abusive word with which they find okay within their small group. But these things must not be posted online because it will not be acceptable in a connected world. Respect others' sentiments. You should always respect others' privacy and considerate for topics that may be considered sensitive, such as politics and religion. Ninth and the last point, monitor comments. Most people who maintain social media sites welcome comments. It builds them credibility and community. You should prefer to review and approve comments before posting them on your site. This way you can ensure quality of comments. Thank you.
A good attempt. And maybe you could show some more pictures, something related to the extra. So when you explain something, you can show some pictures or some other thing related to that. Okay, Ashwin, next time you can do that. Okay, good. So that is again a very simple topic, that is cyber crime. So sometimes it's like cyber bullying, cyber stalking, used with the same name. Cyber stalking is same as cyber. So if the question is asked, we can write any one of the definitions. Both are same almost, cyber stalking, cyber bullying. Some more cyber crimes you have to study, that you will study in the next chapter. I think I have given that topic to whom? It's about or Aryan. Again, cyber crime.
Me.
Yes, Aryan. So he will be taking some other cyber crime other than cyber stalking, cyber bullying. Some hackers, crackers, isn't it? Like that. So, any doubts in that? Are you there? I can see only your brother and the plant, indoor plant. So, you have to study cyberbullying, cyber stalking. You have to study in 12th standard also about the cyber crime. So, this is a continuation. So, same thing you need to study in 12th standard. That will come for your board examination. Any doubts? Achha? Many
No,
things
ma'am.
you know. Instagram and nowadays there are many cases filed against this like cyber crime, and many celebrities they are filing case against cyberbullying. So I think a few months before, Ahana actually posted a video related to cyberbullying. How many of you have seen that? Go to her Instagram page where you can see that related to cyberbullying. So the same thing you have to follow. So that's because you will be using more that voice locker. So many cases are there. So why it is included in your syllabus? Because you have to take care of all this. You know what is an etiquette? Etiquette? Have you heard the term etiquette? Heard? Have you heard?
Ma'am, the word was not clear.
It's netiquette. Netiquette. N-E-T. N-E-T. Netiquette. There are two terms. One is etiquette. E-T-I-Q-U-E-T-T-E. Etiquette. Then there's an etiquette. Etiquette means how to behave in society, how to talk to someone, how to behave in a good manner. If somebody is behaving properly, those who are having good manners, then we will say that etiquette. Netiquette means net, internet, net. In internet, how we have to behave properly. What should be our behavior? How to chat. Okay. So so you should not do this cyberbullying, cyber stalking, or many messages you can receive through your phone. You have won this many crores. Isn't it? Sometimes in messages, idea phone, normal text messages you will receive. Bubba price. Isn't it? Yes or no? You should never reply to that, and sometimes you will get some text in WhatsApp group. Click on that and you will be surprised. A link will be. You'll get the link, and so for the surprise, you will click the link. So what will happen? Maybe that's a virus or that is a spam, and some intruder, hacker, will be getting all the information from your mobile, all the private information. And you will see your pictures, something in some other site. So always take care of all these. That is for you people. The CBSE has included this particular chapter in your particular unit in your syllabus. Okay, so that is very, very important nowadays. On that, that's all about cyber stalking, cyber crime, and how to behave in net. So not only for your examination, you have to apply it in your daily life. If you are not, though, if I know you are all good students and good children, you won't do it. If somebody is doing that, then you have to advise. You don't do that. So that is the biggest help that you can give, you can do. Listen, the Tashifini smile. So he's telling that he will never do that in his life. Yes. So always be kind and be passionate, and don't forget for your studies. But at the same time, or in social media, wherever you are taking, whichever site you are taking, do good, be good. That's all. Anything else? You want to share any other incidents that you have to tell us? You came across, or your friends or relatives, those who are undergone the cyberbullying or cyber stalking or any other cheating through sites or Instagram. Any incidents are there? Coding stop. HTTPS means, who knows? HTTPS. What is the full form of HTTP? Aryan? HTTP. My voice not clear to you? Still?
It is clear, like we can hear you, but sometimes it's not clear. Some words.